Hello, Mr. OFEA. Thank you very much for accepting our interview. We are very happy to have you here because we do think that your opinion will be very useful for the SEANERGY project. If you want, I will start with my first question. My first question is, what do you think are the main barriers to energy transition in ports? You can choose between lack of financing, uncertainty about future regulations, limited space for new infrastructure, resistance from existing stakeholders, technical challenges, or other. But if you can choose also more than one.
Thank you for having me. So the first question that has been asked, the barriers to energy transition in ports. I would say the cost of the green equipment for both operations and infrastructure itself, when compared to the normal cost in the ports right now, it's very significant. So I would say from the small island development states, the cost matters most when it comes to transition, and it is one of the main barriers, and also the uncertainty about the future regulations. Mm-hmm. So at the moment, for example, even the alternative fuels for bunkering facilities in ports, it's still uncertain. We don't know what is what would I say, the silver bullet solution or for the ports.
Yes, but I understood your point.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. My second question is, what role do you think the government should play in promoting energy transition in ports?
Thank you. So the government plays a critical role. First of all, if she can give exemptions to green equipment and facilitate investment in new technologies. And also, when we're talking about the port, stakeholders are very crucial in bringing together. So the government plays a critical role to bring stakeholders together. And some stakeholders, they have this conflict of interest. So there must be some kind of negotiations. So it is only the government can bring those stakeholders together, and they can sit together and negotiate at the table.
Thank you. My third and last question, I would like to ask you, what is your area of expertise, what is your role, and if you want to cite success story in your area of expertise.
So I'm here currently at the World Maritime University, doing the MSc on Maritime Energy Management. Back in my country, I work as a Principal Officer, Pollution and Safety Response. So I would reflect on what has been going on in my country in terms of ports. I would say there is an initiative by the regional Pacific community on implementing, installing the solar panels and LED lights for our port, and it has shown a drastic cost reduction on the energy in terms of cutting the fuel costs when we install the solar panels and the LED lights at the port.
Okay, it's very interesting. Thank you very much for your answers and for your interview. Thanks you.
Thanks for having me.